Hello, Mark Simpson has asked me to put together a quick video on why you should get a virtual tour for your property. My name's Callum Morgan. I own a company called Morgan Branding who do websites and photography and videography and virtual tours and all marketing services. But I also own a self-catering holiday let over in North Wales called Plas Colwyn, which we've now had for 12 years. So I speak with two hats on, from a marketing side and also as a fellow owner. Mark asked why you should be getting a virtual tour. For us, over the years, we've seen many different reasons and different uses for different properties. The first place that people often start is a marketing tool. So once you have a virtual tour, depending on which way you go about getting the tour, you can use that virtual tour on your website. We put in our email signatures a link to our virtual tour. We put the virtual tour on Google Maps, and so it's like Google Street View where you can go inside, and we also use the virtual tour on our social media. So using this tool, and we've done over the years, we've put discount codes in the tour and said, go and find the discount code if you want to, get a discounted stay at the property. So we've used that for, I would say, traditional marketing purposes. But I would say the uses of the tour go far beyond that. And although that's useful, for me, that isn't actually the main use we use it for. The main use is once somebody is bought into the house, is using it as a bit of a tool to answer questions and answer any queries and linking the guests back to the tour. So if a guest asked, is there an ensuite, or where does, is this bedroom near to this bedroom? Sometimes a floor plan and photos and videos just aren't good enough, or a guest can't get that, visualization, or want to know how big a room is, could a room fit a cot in, or all these questions that I'm sure you've received over time. We use the virtual tour to answer them questions, so we can link people to the exact point in the tour and go, there's the bedroom and there's the bathroom that's off that bedroom, and they can see it for themselves there when they're on the phone. We have had clients use like Zoom and walk guests round the property with them as part of the virtual tour. So the guest is on the virtual tour and they're on the virtual tour to answer any questions. There can also be stuff like disabled access. If somebody's asking how many steps or how big the steps are, we can actually link them to the tour, show them exactly how many steps there are or where the steps are and how wide doorways are and stuff like that, which can help for disabled access. And we have had some guests that say, like they can get anxious about where they're going, they like to know where they're going. So it can seriously help in kind of calming their anxiety. They know exactly where they're going, where a bedroom would be, where the kitchen is, where the dining room is, where the lounge is, and can really help with guests that may have other needs like that. So it's not just for marketing, it's for a whole host of other reasons that we use these tours. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm sure Mark will tag us. And if you have any other ideas of how else you could use the tours, please do feel free to comment them below. Cheers.